Guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. Welcome to another video. This is a last and final update on the situation with this beautiful truck, my Ftx Texan. For those of you who followed the channel, we've seen the last 2 or 3 videos that I was complaining about a jerkiness on the car. Having spoken to the model shop I got the car from, and bearing in mind that I had a prop shaft for the rear purchased in early October, it seems as though that was the problem, because I swapped it to the one that goes from the transfer box there to the transmission, and yeah, he wasn't as jerky. But I noticed when I had a little play with the old shaft in there was a lot of play in it. So yeah, so that's the new shaft in now, and I'm happy to report. Let me just grab the remote quickly. The jerkiness is gone. So I'm going to be sending the link to this video to Modelsport. So Dave, if you're watching this, mate, or when you get to watch it, can I just say a massive thank you for everything you've done, for your help, and also for sending out a new short CVD shaft. I don't know if you, by the time you watch this, you may have seen the email I sent you. This one is still out of phase, but car seems all right. In fact, yeah. I think the problem is pretty much fixed. So yeah, Dave, thank you guys, you and the team. So yeah, happy days. We've got the problem solved. So yeah, look forward to taking this guy out on Saturday down my local woods. So yeah, happy days. Thanks guys, this is just a short one, and yeah, quick short update. So thanks very much. We'll see you the weekend, hopefully.